Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on nedbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Gallants 0. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm joined by Frank the Beekeeper.
Hayi kunjalo bafethu esigodini into kade sizele siphethe njengamanje. Ya ngicabanga ukuthi siyoyibuka kahle le Netflix esoyibuka ngo6 sibhala u4. Ya siyobuka ihorror movie. Ya and singamabhani yasabe lutho. Kuqhamuka izebra siyadla, kuqhamuka isandawane siyadla. Ya we are defending champion. Injalo bayazi bafethu. Kade lishe lenye ibhakaniya. Ifocus yethu ayikho ku Nedbank. Nedbank siyandlula nje. Siyacruiser la siyakhona kwistaba basiya kwiCAF. You understand? Yeah, siya eyintweni eyiphatheka eyintweni esemazingeni. You understand? Yeah, sesikhathele yabona mfethu akekho umuntu o confused njengami ukuthi kufanele ngifavor between iZebra neSundowns. Ngiconfuse mngani wami ngale ndlela yokuthi iSundowns sengikhathele ukudlana nayo. And amaZebra masingadliwa ngamaZebra kuzoba nenkinga. Kuzoba nenkinga. But anyway kungcono kuvele kuzi iSundowns amaZebra out. Babhakaniya ngenxa yesikhathi bafethu ngithi nje well done.
Le goal yePirates was worth 20,000 rands, Frank.
Yes.
Did you register on nedbankcup.co.za?
Singibantu bakhona lapho mfethu siqedile ukuregister khabya.
My goals ikhona yonke into igrand.
Khululeka
mfethu. Ngiphi man of the match?
Bathi shilo sakusaseka. Mamela man of the match bafethu ake masibheka ibhola sisifaka izibuko zamehle esemazingeni. Dion Hoto. Just number 7. Number 7 bafethu. It is salute Hoto wami.
Danko. Yes.